Alright, I am changing a idler pulley on a 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. I'm not sure if this is the same for an earlier pickup, but my 1500 from 2002 was not the same. So I figured I'd make a quick video because I couldn't find any on YouTube about it. Anyways, you're going to need to undo 3 bolts. Got one here. This is a 24 mil. There's 2 24 mils back there. I loosened this up and then I gave it a couple taps with the nut sent back down on here with my big sledgehammer. Popped it right out. Didn't need a pickle fork. You probably could get a pickle fork back here, but it's pretty tight. The other side of these bolts are 18 millimeters, and you'll need to hold the bolt while you undo the 24 mil nut. Here's the new Moog idler arm, and I can't remember what the other part's called, but anyways, this is all it is. Just pull these 2 bolts out, plop that right back in. You can buy it as a piece, which I would recommend, just so you don't have to mess with tearing it all apart. All right, new idler arm is in. Everything went pretty well. There's no more play in the steering rack, which is really awesome. Doesn't look like the pit motor arm over there is bad, but we will check that out later once I get it on the road. The box up there was a real big pain in the ass to get the new idler in there. It kind of got hung up, and the old one was hard to get out as well. I just had to manhandle it in there, and then it was all good. So there's the new idler.